What's going on, guys? So I want to get on here and talk a little bit about GameStop. This stock is not dead yet. I know there's a ton of you diamond handing, ape loving, GME fanatics out there. Okay, I've traded GME. I traded GME back on the big run up, the big squeeze that we had back in January. I did trade it on a little bit of the one we had in the beginning of March. I haven't been really trading GME as of late. Hasn't really been doing anything. But today I went back over and I started looking at GameStop, started looking at the chart, and this thing closed over supply today and sort of reclaimed the 10-day moving average. Took out this channel here from yesterday and is looking to break through for tomorrow. So with some good momentum, the over on GameStop is 205. 205 is going to be the battleground. If this thing can start to confirm 205 and start to build above 205, look at all this room, guys. I mean, look at all this room that it has. It's nothing but daylight. Now, does it get all the way back up to 279, 280, all-time highs of 348 from the beginning of March? I'm not saying that it makes a run all the way back to all-time highs. Let me put a trend line here. What's that? Let's just call it 348. Does it get all the way up to 348? I mean, there's no telling with this thing. Once GameStop starts moving, this thing just flies. But short term, it's looking like a very, 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 very nice setup. Let me make this screen a little bit bigger here so you can see it a little bit better here. But yeah, 205, 205 for tomorrow. It did close up 7.5%, 7.25. Okay. It closed $13 up today. And with the market being so choppy and sideways, GameStop is actually a nice stock to be trading in and out while the rest of the market kind of settles down here. But I mean, look at I drew a trend line here, just kind of connecting this top to today's top. So 2 days ago's top to today's top. I have this horizontal line here at today's highs of 205.56 in that area, something like that. But I mean, if this thing starts to confirm today's highs of 205 and starts getting a build above 205, there's definitely some room to run here. 225 would be an area that I would look to get in and trade this at from 205 to 232, 225, 220. I mean, guys, that's 5, 10, 15 point move. You take 5, 10 contracts, right? I mean, I know premium's a little bit expensive. Let's just say you take 25 shares of this thing. You take 25 shares of this thing and this thing moves up 20 bucks. This thing moves up 20 bucks. You made yourself a nice little gain. A nice little gain. A quick scalp, get in and get out. This thing likes to run hot. It likes to move. And when it moves fast. I still think that the short interest is extremely high on GameStop. I think there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. I do like what they're doing over at GameStop. I know they brought in somebody. Let's see what the news is on GameStop. What they've put out on GameStop here. Let's see. Chewy's earnings. Yeah, they're going to talk about Chewy. Chewy had insane earnings today. After hours, just completely ran. Completely ran. Congratulations if you got in on Chewy. Jesus. Anyways, I don't really see too much news on GameStop. What do they got here? Retail trading activity, speculation, surrounding so-called meme stocks. Nothing crazy. What do we got here? GameStop shares trading higher on news. Oh yeah, they appointed a new chief growth officer. Well, I think they poached her. I think it's a her. I think they poached her from Amazon. So yeah, going forward. But anyways, going forward, 205 break. That's the over on GameStop. The under on GameStop, 171. 171 to the downside, 205 to the upside. Over on GameStop at 205. I'm under on GameStop at let's call it 170. 170, 130 would be your support. break of 205. Next resistance level would be 225, 230. That's the area. This is the range. This is the range for tomorrow here. This is the range. Let's see what this thing does. I mean, tomorrow pre-market, it could already take out this level. If it takes out this level in pre-market, then 225, 230 would be the next area. I would be looking to build above and possibly retest 260 to 279. Keep an eye on GameStop. This is not a dead cat. This thing is still going to move. Mark this video. Mark this video. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll be wrong. Okay, I'll admit that I'm wrong. But I think this thing breaks 205 tomorrow. Comment down below. Are you invested in GameStop? Are you swing trading GameStop? Are you day trading GameStop? Should I be day trading GameStop? Let me know what you guys think. But 205 on the over is definitely what I'm looking for. Not really looking to play this thing short just because of how fast it moves and how fast it can bounce. And the premiums are just so expensive on GameStop. But 205 to the upside is definitely what I'm looking at. So good luck tomorrow, guys. I hope everyone makes some money. Let me know what you guys think about GameStop.